Okay, we're gonna do a little update on the Jeep. The cherry bomb I put on it when I bought it is no more. It was rattling, carrying on, sounded like crap. Got tired of listening to it. So, we took and solved the problem. Might have solved it a little too well. This thing sounds like a pissed off mini Cummins tractor. It's a little too loud. Oh. So I think we might end up doing a Flowmaster Super 40 or Super 44. I don't want it quiet, but I don't want it mental either. And right now it's a little mental. Cold, but tell you what, man, it's a little noisy. Son. See if it'll kick into cammed mode. What I like to call cammed mode. It starts missing out. Probably won't. Tell you what. You scared the crap out of me, kid.
Minecraft?
No.
Call me.
Climb the stack. Probably won't, because the quick disconnects are not disconnected. And she does not like to flex when they are not disconnected. Let's see what it does. And it's starting to go a bit. Yeah, it's gonna go up it no matter what. Teetering, but it's going up it. It's light enough. We'll get some more clips later on after she's warmed up, maybe another day. Not gonna be like that for long though. Too loud, be annoying out on the trails. That's for sure.